Hello guys, today I am going to disassemble it and make schematic of it. This SMD table lamp, as you could see, it is written here input AC 100 to 220 volts and charging time is 10 hour and some stuff. And look at this, what is more written here. When charging, please keep away from flammable and explosive environment. Please charge it every 2 months when it is not in use. Okay, holy moly. This is cheap Chinese one. As you could see here, to turn off. Here is the turning on button. That is now turned on. Now let's just do this. Earlier it was the button was here. Where is the button? Okay, yeah, here is the button, but I break it by forcefully is break down. No button here, so now I turn on and off from this only directly. So I will now disassemble it and show you what inside it. There are total 6 screws and maybe at the center here, or may not be also. Alright, all the screws are open now, so I could easily lift up this. Holy, where is it stuck? No, it's not stuck. Okay, as you could see, this is the point where AC input 220 volts goes inside. Let's focus it. Okay, focused. The black one, nothing written or something written in Chinese, only symbol written, nothing that. And as you could see, this is how much voltage it is. It is, I think, 4 volts. Let's pull out. Okay, well, I will check it the voltage with my multimeter. Probably not fully charged, so I don't know how much voltage, but the cell is of 4 volts only. Let's focus it here. And so positive. Where is the positive? Okay, that's the positive. There's the negative. Look at the voltage, 3.98 volt. Not showing clearly. Holy. Okay, now clearly. Look at this, 3.98 volt. It is 4 volts battery. This battery, black one. Okay. And let's see, here are also 2 screws to open this circuit board. I have to open this also. Okay, let's open. Alright, as you could see, the circuit is so simple. I will make the schematic of it in this video only. No need to worry about the schematic. The easy peasy charging of from 220 volt AC to this 4 volt, and it has also solar is directly connected to this. I think nothing to see in this schematic, just a bigger capacitor and small capacitor. This one 25 volts, this is 25 volts to 220 microfarad, and this is AC capacitor, 2 diodes. This is a resistor, probably high kilo ohm, the more kilo ohm, not a small one, not 1k, around 100 200k. This are the, I don't know, and this is probably 1k, I think. I don't know, I will check the each resistor value and make a schematic of it and show you. Okay, and okay, look at this transistor. This is D, what is it? D9 and something written. It's too heavy battery, and let lift up. Focus it. Not focusing at all. Okay, let me read it. D965. Okay, the transistor is D965, and this is the potentiometer. Look at this. Turning on the lid. Okay. All right, I made the schematic of that circuit here. All right, as you could see, the each component, this is the AC capacitor, this is the solar plate, and this is the transistor D965, and this is the SMD LED which will glow on switching on the on, and this is the lead acid battery. All right, and this is the LED. It will glow when you charge from either with the solar plate or from the input AC input. This light will indicate that the battery is charging. Okay, and here you have to input 220 volt AC, and you have to notice that this is the potentiometer, and that will here these two parts are not connected. When you turn on the potentiometer, I'm showing it like when you turn on, see sound, and it get connected on sound, and so when you turn on, then it will get connected, then it will pass the voltage from here to here, and the light will get turned on. And as you could see, there are 3 terminals, and one terminal is connected with the body, and one terminal with 1K resistor. Here also 1K resistor, and further it gone to the one leg of the transistor, and this also went to one. Here I cutted this. This is not connected to this. This is connected directly to this, and this is connected to this. Okay, you should not get confused here. This is cutted one. This is nothing here. This is connected to directly to this, not this. Okay, that's it. And yes, for more details, I given the all color codes of the resistors, 408K resistors. Color code I written here: orange, white, yellow, blue, and diode also 1007. You can use any diodes here, no problem. And 1K code also I given, and 1.3K code also I have given. All right, yeah, the value changes might be changes due to my multimeter problem, but the code will not get changes, so you can verify with the code actual value of the resistor. Okay, so no problem with the schematic. As you could see, again the schematic, as you could see, this D965 transistors is used in this circuit. All right guys, as you could see, one thing that from this parallel capacitors, parallel diodes, it is connected a wire, and it is directly connected to this transistor, but from here, from middle point, it also connected to this negative of the capacitor, and which is connected to the negative of the battery. Okay, it is from here to here, this is connected. Okay, you should not confuse that what it is. Here to here it is connected. All right, and it is also, and this wire directly also gone to here to here. All right, now you should not have been any confusing point in this schematic. All confusing point in this schematic I stated. All right, okay, I forgot to say that, and this is, if you charge with this AC voltage, you should not touch the terminal of the battery, because it is cheap Chinese circuit, so you could get a shock, but it is 100% working. You can make at home also, but you a chance of getting shock if you touch after plugging in, and if you touch this, you will get an AC. But here is 4 volt only, but you can get the AC voltage that could give you a shock. Okay, if you are charging with solar plate, then there will be no problem. But as I said, this is cheap Chinese. This whole thing is cheap Chinese, and you should not underestimate this. Okay, all right, Okay, and anything? No, I did not have to say anything. This circuit is 100%. I verified 2 times after making this circuit. Anything is wrong or what? I find that nothing is wrong, and here was wrong, which I solved. Okay, I checked it multiple time. So you should 100% believe this circuit that it will work. But as I stated, this is cheap Chinese. While connected to 220 volt, you should not touch the terminal of the battery, but it will 100% charge the battery for sure, because I made this carefully, the circuit, and I copied 100%ly from this stuff. So you should trust this circuit, and what I said, you should remember that it is cheap Chinese. Okay, and this is, if you charge with solar plate, nothing will get problem, and if you charge from this also, nothing will get problem. But you should not touch this terminal after plugging it. Okay, you should not touch that thing, I said. Okay, that's it, what I wanted to say. As you could see the circuit again. All right, thanks for watching, and see you in next video. Goodbye.